Hi everyone, I'm Lene Gehrig and welcome to Paper Wishes Thursday vlog. Today I have a great St. Patrick's Day money saver to show you. All of these items are bundled together in a money saver, which you can click on the link and get a great deal on them, or you can also purchase them separately. So let me show you what comes in the money saver. So this Spectrum paper pack by Authentique is just my new favorite item. It has all of these wonderful colors of the rainbow, 2 shades of green, yellow, red, blues. But what's neat about them is that they come in both a dot and stripe finish. So one side is polka dots and one side is stripes. And they're really subtle, so they're perfect for card making and really making your focal stand out. So that is in the money saver, as well as the the Dazzle stickers called St. Patrick's Day Lucky Thing Dazzle stickers. And as you can see, it's got several focals on it. It's got a cute little leprechaun. And we also have the Irish Luck stamp by Penny Black, really cute. And then the Lucky Charms sparklets, which are really fun. They have little 4-leaf clovers in there. And then you also receive a sheet of clear acetate, and that's because we're going to show you how to make a shaker card today. So let me show you what we've got here. This is a really adorable little leprechaun shaker card that Debbie made. Shaker cards are really fun to make. They're such a great surprise for your recipient when they open their card and they're like, oh, this is a little fun little element to the focal. So let me show you how to do it. They're really easy to put together. Okay, so first you start with your card background. Okay, and then you're going to die cut. I think this is the double stitched oval cutting dies, and you cut 2 ovals that are the same size, and then you cut another oval from acetate. You cut 2 acetate ovals rather, and then you cut a third one from the green stripe paper, and then do a smaller one inside of that to make your little window of paper. So you've got your acetate and your little window glued on. All right, then you're going to take some clear foam tape, and we're going to put this around the edge. And once I get this down, I'll show you what's happening here. And what you're making is a little border rather to keep all of your sparkles and things like that. If you wanted more sparkles or gold sparkles, we also have gold sequins in a tin. So if you're kind of mass producing these cards and the sparklets are just, you need more than that, our gold tin sequins would be really adorable in this card as well. Okay, so you've got your foam tape all around the edges here. I'm going everywhere. Here we go. And then Debbie tells me because the sparklets are kind of thick, you want to do a double layer. Okay, so we're going to do some more right on the top. The first layer is the trickiest, and then you just go all the way around. Okay, get some more pieces. All right. Oops, I double layered some ahead of time, and I'm just having to take it apart. All right, there we go. So then you take the sparklets and you're going to put some right inside of, it's almost like a little dish that you made here. Okay, I had to make sure and get one of those cute little shamrocks in there. Okay, you don't need much. All right, now you're taking your second piece of acetate and you're attaching it, aligning the edges right over the first one. Okay, so you've made a little window pocket. All right, and I didn't line that up perfectly, so I'm just going to trim it away, my excess, because that part's not even going to show. All right, so now you've got your little shaker pocket. As you can see here, I still have a little bit coming off of this end. There we go. All right, and then Debbie backed this particular little pot of gold with some gold holographic paper put that right there. And then you're just going to take some of this Cosmic Shimmer Specialist Acrylic Glue. You just put it around the edge on the back and then just glue that directly to your card, okay? There you go. It's all contained in one area. Great. Now, I also wanted to show you, I get a lot of questions about backing dazzles with paper and then cutting around that, and if that's a little tricky. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I like to do this. All right, so I've got my little leprechaun here, and you can see that the shamrock here has the little striped paper on it. So I'm going to take the striped side of paper. I like to just put it right up in the corner, and then we don't need to deal with all this paper, so we're just going to trim some away. Okay. And then what I like to do is get right up close to the edge and almost turn my scissors at an angle. Okay, like that. Okay, I'm going to use my little remote. This is the first time. Houston's not here today, so I'm just going to use my remote on my own. See if it's working. There's my remote. There, hey everybody, look at me. Okay. So get a little closer on that. And I'm just cutting close. And sometimes when I put that dazzle down, I didn't like smush it down. So I can just lift up that edge. And I can just kind of cut right under the edge. Okay. And just pick it up as you go. There you go. All right. And then you can even just go back. I missed a little spot there. There we go. All right, so I still need to cut away this part here. But you can see, you just carefully go around the outside edge, and then once you've paper pieced the certain areas that you're focusing on, like she put a little tiny bit of gold paper here, and a little bit of gold paper here, and some green here and green here. And then she's took the whole thing once it was done, paper piecing, and put it on white cardstock and colored that with Spectrum Noir pens, okay? And then cut out the whole thing. So, you know, start using the corners of your paper. Don't put your dazzle right on the center, and just take your time cutting them out. You get faster with some practice, okay? So I also wanted to show you another card using the adorable Penny Black Irish Luck stamp. So cute, right? And I made a little gatefold card, okay? And used that oval cutting die again, and stamped this little guy using black memento ink, and then colored him in with Spectrum Noir pens, just greens and browns. And I put some of those little sparklets down here at the bottom, and a little Irish Luck. So that was really fun to make, and it was really easy as well. I wanted to show you a few other St. Patrick's Day items that are not included on our Money Saver, but that you can also pick up. Let me pull out here. Hey, look at me operating the remote, everybody. Also, we have by Elizabeth Craft Designs, the Good Luck cutting die. Really versatile, not just for St. Patrick's Day. How great to use this for college graduation, also for weddings, things like that. And then also, from Paper Cuts collection, from Creative Expressions, the Good Luck edger. And I love this particular one. We featured these paper edgers a while ago. And what a beautiful card. So easy to make, you guys. You just align the edger with the outside edge of your card, run it through your die cutting machine. I just backed the card with a little bit of the green paper, and bang, it's done. How cute is that? Really fun. I love this one. I'm gonna have to get this one myself. And then we also have from Authentique, Clover paper pack. We have very limited quantities of this particular paper pack, so I would grab this while you can. It's just full of art and all different kinds of wonderful patterned papers for St. Patrick's Day. You could really use the different colors of green all year round, but the art is really fun as well to make cards with. So thanks for joining me today. Check out our Money Saver, and I'll see you next week for the Thursday Paper Wishes vlog.